Grumble, grumble. To complain quietly. He grumbled about the long line. She always grumbles when it's cold. Tremble, tremble. Shake slightly. His hands trembled with fear. I trembled in the cold wind. Scribble, scribble. Write carelessly. He scribbled on the wall. I couldn't read the scribbled note. Tug, tug. Pull strongly. They tugged the rope hard. She tugged him hardly. Slam, slam. Close something loudly. He slammed the door angrily. Don't slam the books on the table. Guzzle, guzzle. Drink something quickly. He guzzled the soda in one gulp. Don't guzzle your coffee, it's hot. Peek, peek. Look secretly or quickly. He peeked through the wall. She peeked through the door. Creep, creep. Move slowly or quickly. 5 crept into the room. The cat crept up behind the bird.